Hi guys, welcome to another recipe video. This time I'm going to do something special, well, something that is dear to me because it came from the recipe from one of my best friend mother, which was residing at the time in Ontario. So it's a recipe that her mother made, and then it did pass on from children to children. So listen, I think it's a great recipe. It's something very fast. You just take some beef patty, then you put some spice and some ingredient that you're going to saw in a minute, and then you put over some American processed cheese. Then you finish in the oven. But listen, you can also put any kind of cheese on it. It's going to be great. I use a lot of time, I use Swiss cheese, which is great. So guys, I hope you're going to enjoy. It's one of my favorite recipe, and it's a very fast one, and all the children likes it. So I hope you're going to do too. And like always, please guys, subscribe, leave a comment and share. It's always appreciated. See you on the next video. Take care guys. Ciao.